Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am your host, Pixelated Turtle, and in today's video we are going to model a cute droid character. This is part 1 of a two-part series, the second part of which has already been uploaded, where I show in time-lapse my process of texturing this droid model. I can see that since my last video upload I have made 2 new subscribers, so if you are watching this, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really made me extremely happy. As this video is aimed to be a beginner friendly one, I have used only basic primitives to create the shapes that I needed and adjusted them as required. So, enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful in any way and want to support me, do like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions or questions. and make sure to watch the second part of this tutorial where I show the texturing process. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.